Monkey.
Let's go and get this business out the way. Pay some bills. If you want one of these bad boys, hit up Main Street Cycle in Tishomingo, Mississippi. They'll take care of you. Link on the screen. What up, Moto Gang? Hey, real quick video. I got a couple installs, packages came today. First is this, bam. Swimming pool, waterproof, submergible lights, strobe, flash, everything. Keyword, swimming pool, so they waterproof. Check them out right here. Another little add-on to old Papa Smurf. Yeah, buddy. Another little add-on. I like it. Pretty cool, pretty bright too. It's in the garage, you got lights around. So think about when we out there in the sun, out there in the dark, no lights. That green and that white, I like that green. I like that green there. Yep, there they go. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Hey man, I see stuff and I be like, that might work. It worked. Just drilled a small hole through the top, went through the top with a screw, put a lock washer and a nut, blue Loctite, drilled it down, put some silicone around the nut and the washer just so if it is a little seep, it won't come through like I did the fans. But yeah, it's in there, man. They look good. I like them. And I got two more. Well, y'all seen the, right here. Y'all seen the seat release. I did that also, but I got one more unboxing I'm gonna do for you on another video. But man, I appreciate y'all support, hanging out with the gang. We're gonna keep going, baby. We're gonna keep doing this till we get there. Holla back.